Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Today we are making up some country southern fried chicken, and it came out so crispy, so wonderful. Gonna have this with a little bit of a lasagna, but you just gotta make this. So let me show you how to do it. So first things first here, I did not have any buttermilk, so I decided to make my own using a cup of homogenized milk combined with a tablespoon of vinegar. And just leave this sit for an hour or so and you have homemade buttermilk. It does not have to be vinegar, you can also use lemon juice. Also make sure you give it a good stir and let it sit at room temperature. After that's all said and done, let's make up our batter using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're going to combine this with half a cup of cornstarch. And we're going to season this up with a teaspoon of rosemary, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of celery salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, some salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of thyme. Go ahead and throw this in, and I know I sounded like the auctioneer, but it's a lot of seasoning, but it's well worth it. Grab up the handy dandy whisk and mix everything until it is well combined. Now I should mention you don't have to use all that seasoning, you can kind of mix and match, but this is a nice blend. Now here's my little secret to crispy chicken, guys. I'm going to grab up 3 or 4 tablespoons of that buttermilk and simply add it into that batter mixture. Go ahead and mix it up. And this is going to cause that batter to become a little bit crumbly. Something like this, and it's going to make that chicken super crispy. Speaking of chicken, I've got about 10 or 12 drumsticks here. You can use whatever chicken parts you like. Go ahead and grab up an egg and crack it over top of that chicken. Season it up with a few cracks of salt. Then grab up that buttermilk mixture and simply pour it over top of the chicken. Then using your hands, mix and slosh and sloof until that chicken is completely coated and submersed in that mixture. And sing a song and think of super fried chicken while you're doing this. Now I think you got the drill here, guys. Grab up that chicken and simply roll it around in that flour mixture until it's completely covered. Then just go ahead and set the chicken aside on a wire rack. But we ain't done yet. To make it super crispy, I am going to double dredge the chicken. To do this, simply grab it up and put it back in the buttermilk mixture. Then once again back into that flour mixture and make sure it is completely coated. And just kind of check out the texture you get this time. Doesn't that look super good? And it's going to be so crispy. Now it is frying time. Okay guys, I'm going to throw these in the deep fryer here. I've decided to come outside because you get that smell in the house and stuff like that, and it's not that great. So I'm going to do it outside, but you don't have to do this in a deep fryer. You can do it in a frying pan, whatever. But it's an okay day. I think we're going to get some rain, but let's go ahead and throw these in. And you'll have to excuse the bit of a mess out here. I am working on my outdoor country kitchen. Coming soon. Okay, I've got about 4 pieces inside my basket, so I am just going to slip these into the deep fryer. And I should mention too, I got this set at 350, around 350, 375 is great, and that's the other good thing about a deep fryer is you get a consistent temperature rather than a pan, but these are going to be super good. I can just tell by the way they're frying. Now this is not quite done yet, guys, but just looking at it, it's going to be the perfect crispy, fried chicken. Country southern style. After about 10 or 12 minutes, we're looking pretty good here, guys. Just look at this. Wow. So I'm just going to pull these out and set them aside on a wire rack. And I do have to say, when I set them aside on the wire rack, I got that clunky, crispy sound. Oh, so wonderful. And I mean, if the Colonel were alive today, he'd be crying, "Oh, Dave, give me that secret." No, just kidding. Even Coco is saying, "Is that chicken ready yet, Dad? Dad, that chicken?" And just look at the old cows grazing over there, guys. I bet you they want some chicken too. I'm not sure if cows eat chickens. Country life and cooking is just wonderful, guys. Okay, guys, we are pretty much done here, and we got, 15 pieces of fried chicken here. Looks really fantastic. So we are going to go inside and give these a try. All right, my friends, these look so good. Could hardly wait to give them a try. Let's give them a try and see what they're like. They're really done nicely. They're juicy. I just love the seasoning and so crunchy. Absolutely incredible. I'm going to have this with some lasagna. Some homemade lasagna, going to be fantastic. Simply a must make, my friends. Go ahead and make these up. Leave us a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and see you next time.